point, I already showed you guys, not in detail, but I did show you guys every product that I use to wash my face. I just thought I'd just throw that in really quick. Hope you guys enjoyed that little tiny intro. I still have time before I have to do my face makeup. I like to let the moisturizer really sink into my face for at least an hour before I put any makeup product on my face. That is my trick, I guess. I actually need to go buy tissue paper. I don't have tissue paper for a birthday present. I was there by the store this morning, and I knew I needed tissue paper, and I didn't get it. And now I have to go back out to go get it. Good thing is that it's like literally just right there. So it really won't take me that long. I still don't want to go out and get it though. We are off. You guys are going to see that it really does not take me that long to get there. Like, it's literally just down the street for me. And I forget a lot of times that, you know, Dollar Tree, Ross, Hobby Lobby is like literally right here. Which is kind of cool. I'm not even putting on a seatbelt for this because I could honestly go walking, but I'm not about that life in this heat right now. So we're just gonna drive. Oh, cool, and I caught all the traffic. Cool. And we're here. Over here away from everyone because no one here respects your belongings and they all fuck up your car. Gift tissue. Let me get sparkles. Just so y'all know, El Paso has some of the worst drivers ever, because people here are just so stupid when it comes to driving. I'm sorry if that sounds really harsh, but it's true. You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun.